This Is Us fans are likely still recovering from an episode of twists and turns.
But there are some real-life takeaways from tonight's show about fire danger. And 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey shows us a cutting-edge program in Grand Rapids that is saving lives.
Or if you can't reach it.
Don and Judy Fight's West Side home is neat as a pin, the kind of place anyone would feel safe in. But there's always those things you may not think about.
How often should you test your smoke alarms?
Once a weekly. Oh, weekly.
Weekly.
I'm off on that.
The hush button is.
The crew from GRFD Engine 8 conducted a follow-up to a home safety inspection for the Fights. Not just adding smoke and CO detectors, but also making sure things like a space heater too close to combustibles or a laundry basket too close to a water heater aren't creating a dangerous situation.
Whereas you're looking for 3 feet away from the furnace, hot water heater, we're looking for storage issues because that's what can start fires.
The free inspection and installations are part of the city's residential safety program.
In the 5 years since the program began, city fire crews have visited some 5,000 homes. And pretty soon, they'll put up smoke detector number 50,000.
And it's totally voluntary. So there's no need for anyone to feel that they will be pushed into the situation.
Malfunctioning kitchen appliance, a quick-moving fire, no working smoke detectors. It's a script Grand Rapids Fire Lieutenant Bill Smith could have written himself.
Over half the fires, the areas of origin, are in the kitchen.
The leading cause of house fires.
But thanks to the Residential Safety Inspection Program, those tragedies are being averted in Grand Rapids. Both death and injuries from fire are down since the program started.
We hope to continue that trend. This program is making a difference.
In Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurgey, 24-hour News 8.
Now, if you are a Grand Rapids resident, you'd like to sign up for that program, just call 311.